Hey guys, SUYOON here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing Kith Snowboard. I've been looking for a snowboard to purchase. I've been riding with the same board for over about 4 or 5 years, and it's been beaten up, it's been cracking. So every year I've been telling myself I'm gonna get a new one, but I still haven't up until this point. Initially, I wasn't planning on buying like a Supreme or Kith or any hypebeast brand snowboard. But it just so happened that Kith was dropping snowboard collaboration with CAPITA brand. They had a lot of different winter collection collab for winter gears, like goggle with Oakley with the helmet and etc. So this time around, I decided to get the snowboard, see if I could rock it out for another 3-4 years and test it out. That said, let me bring the board out here of the one I've been riding and show that one first, and then I'll bring the replacement which I got for Kith and show you guys the Kith one. So this is the Boxino Retox board that I've been rocking for, again, 4 to 5 years. It's pretty beat up and it's been serving really well, but as you can see, the edges are really messed up, and even up top here I had to epoxy glue because things were falling apart. So I'm excited to replace this, but this board has been a beater which I've been riding around the park and pretty much all-purpose terrain, and I really love this board. I still think I'm gonna hold on to it even though I got a new one, and see if I could pull this out every now and then and ride this as well. This was 153 in terms of board size. Kith only sold in one side, which was 158, so it's significantly bigger, 5 centimeter in terms of snowboard length. I think that's really big considering my height, but I decided to get it and rock with it and see how it is. So let me put this away and bring the Kith board. Kith board came in this long box, so I'll go ahead and unbox this. So it just goes away here. Inside of the box, it came with a shipping label from Kith, and inside there's just a single board. So this is the Kith CAPITA board. Again, this is 158, so 5 centimeter longer than the one I have. It has the CAPITA logo right in the dead center, and it has the Kith logo on each side here. On where your binding will be going, it does say 100% clean energy. Everything is possible. I believe they were saying that this is a eco-friendly method of building board or something like that, so I'm not 100% sure exactly what they mean by 100% clean energy. But I'm excited to test this out. On the back side here, it pretty much has the Kith. Everything else is pretty much the gradient of pink pastel color all around. I'm pretty excited. It's pretty thick, and it's supposed to be a hybrid between rocker and camber, so I think it's pretty much the same thing as mine, 60% rocker, 40% camber from just looking at it. From the Kith online site, it really didn't have much information. Honestly, I just went in and just bought it. Let me just kind of read out for you guys. This is a twin shape board, so it could be ride switch. I personally ride on 15-15, so I'm trying to learn how to ride switch as well and get proficient at it. So this is gonna help me ride switch as well, considering this is twin. It also said hybrid rocker, so I was right about hybrid of camber and rocker. It says it has a high gloss PLT top sheet, an environmentally responsible top sheet application process that avoid harmful lacquer and reduce weight. The wood core, which I found very interesting, is that it has a core of bamboo, which is supposed to give you really snappy, flexible core, and also lightweight. Mine didn't have the bamboo, but recently, it's only been recently that personally I've seen the bamboo core snowboards coming out. Pretty excited about that and give it a try. Overall, this was retail $450, so looking at the board price perspective, it's not crazy expensive, even though it has the Kith brand and collaboration with it. $450, $500. I've seen board goes even up to like $700, so it's within there. I gotta try it out to see how good it is. I'm supposed to drive up to Montreal tomorrow. Gonna bring this out. I was super pleased that this came on time for Montreal trip, and it dropped on Friday and I ordered it. Wasn't sure if it's gonna get here on time for me before Christmas, but it did. So it pretty much took Saturday, Monday, Tuesday to come. So which again, it came very fast for me. So definitely gonna be able to rock this out. I didn't buy the new binding, so I'll take the binding off of the existing one, put it on, and rock it for a Montreal trip, and then come back and maybe I'll buy another binding and boots to go along with this as well. That being said, I'll give you guys a closer look and we'll wrap it up.